that's like the highest spiritual experience that we have in Tantra and love and sex.
Sure.
It's what we all seek. Now, there's an aspect in this of that merging that, again, this concept coming from Dr. Samuel Sagan, my late teacher from the Clairvision School in Australia, he had this idea of combinescence. So you may be doing an advanced spiritual practice, maybe you're doing a lot of psychotropics, but you're perceiving a certain non-physical reality on a higher plane.
Mm-hmm.
That physical reality may appear to be one large being, great radiant being of light on a higher level that you're directly perceiving. But then you see that out of this great being of light, other smaller beings begin to move out of that larger composite being.
Mm-hmm.
And you begin to understand that this being is a composite of multiple beings.
Just like we are a composite of trillions of cells.
Exactly. And so this idea of combinescence is that out of the physical body and these higher non-physical realms and planes, beings can actually have the love, the unity impulse to where they merge so fully that they appear to be one great light being.